Good morning. Last lecture we have seen about the ionic bond. In this topic, the chemical bonding, there are two types of the bonds which are already explained: ionic bond and second is a covalent bond. Second bond is a covalent bond. This covalent bond means there is a sharing of electrons between two similar or same electronegative atoms. Then this sharing of electron bond is called as a covalent bond. In this covalent bond formation, the first is a formation of H2 molecule. The electronic configuration of this hydrogen is 1s1, 1s1. This is the first hydrogen, and second hydrogen is also 1s1. Therefore, there is a outermost orbit contains only one electrons. This molecule is represented as this hydrogen with this dot means the electron of first hydrogen, cross represents the electron of second hydrogen atom, and it gives H bond H, that is the formation of H2 molecule. Second example, the formation of the chlorine molecule. In this formation of the chlorine molecule, atomic number of this chlorine is 17 and its outermost electron configuration is 3s2, 3p, 5. This is the outermost electronic configuration. There are two chlorine atoms and the structure is represented as, this is the first chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the total 7 electrons surrounded to the first chlorine atom. And second, this cross represents the electrons of the another chlorine atoms. In this case, this electron of first chlorine shares with the cross electrons of the another chlorine, and it forms, there is a Cl bond Cl, that is a chlorine molecule. If the number of another electrons are combined together, then there is a formation of the multiple bonds. This is the third example, formation of multiple bonds. For example, acetylene. In this acetylene, formula is a H bond C, triple bond C bond H. This is a formula of acetylene. Alkyl is the name of this compound is a ethyl. In this case, this carbon, there are total 4 electrons in its valence shell. Because atomic number of this carbon is 6, electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. There are 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and this carbon also contains, there are 4 electrons, and hydrogen contains 1 electron, each hydrogen, and therefore there is a combines these electron pairs and forms, this is the acetylene molecule. Number of electrons are shared when there is a formation of the multiple bonds. If only one pair is shared, then there is a formation of the covalent bond. This is about the covalent bond. Next is the most important point is a Lewis structure. This Lewis structure is also called as a Lewis representation of the simple molecules. This is also called as a Lewis symbols. Lewis symbols of the molecule. Then Lewis structure. This Lewis structure shows that there is a formation of the chemical bond between the molecules and ions, bonding formation of chemical bonding between molecules and ions. Molecules and ions. This Lewis structure cannot be explained. It cannot explain the bonding and behavior of the molecules and ions. In first, there is a formation of the chemical bonding. This chemical bonding is depends upon there is a octet rule and sharing of electrons or shared pair of electrons. This chemical bonding is explained on the concept of this octet rule and shared pair of the electrons. But this Lewis structure cannot be explained totally or completely the bonding and behavior of the molecules. This Lewis structure explains formation and properties of the molecules. Properties of the molecules on the basis of octet rule and shared pair of electrons. This is about the Lewis structure. In this Lewis structure, this cannot be explained the bonding and behavior completely, but the formation of the chemical bonding between the molecules and ions is explained on the basis of octet rule and shared pair of electrons, and also it explains the formation and properties of the molecules on the basis of these two concepts. Next is a Lewis structure representation rules. For the representation of this Lewis structure, there are several rules are involved. The first rule, first count the total number of valence electrons. Calculate or count the total number of valence electrons. First, represent there is electron configuration and outermost electrons present in the outermost orbit. This total number of electrons indicates the valence electrons. Second, draw the skeletal structure of the molecules. Draw the skeletal structure of molecule or ions with valence electrons. Skeletal structure with their valence electrons. Third point or the third rule, in this Lewis structure, each shared pair forms a covalent bond. A covalent bond, and it is represented by the symbol dash. If it contains complete octet, it contains complete octet. The third rule, if octet is not completed, if octet is not completed, then the another electron pairs another electrons of atoms share to forms a multiple bonds and acquires complete octet for each atom. In this rule, if there is a third rule, indicates there is a formation of the covalent bond with completed octet. If octet is not completed, then another electrons present on that elements can be shared with each other and forms there is a multiple bonds. It forms multiple bonds and acquires completed octet. Fifth rule, if there is a positive charge present on the element, then subtract one electron from valence electrons. If positive charge present on the elements, then subtract one electron from the valence electron. The number of positive charge present, if there are the two positive charges are present, subtract 2 electrons. 3 positive charge, 3 electrons. Sixth rule, if there is a negative charge present, then add 1 electron to valence electrons. The number of negative charges, then that number of the negative charges and number of electrons in the valence electrons of the valence shell. The next rule, seventh rule. In a molecule, the most electronegative elements or atoms surrounded to least electronegative elements or atoms. In this point, suppose example, this is a sulfate ions, SO4 2 minus are the sulfate ions. In our periodic table, this is our periodic table, and there are the 17 group elements. These are the 16 group elements. The sulfur present, there is a second member of these 16 group elements, 5. Oxygen is a first elements of these 16 group elements. And we know that electronegativity decreases from top to bottom in a periodic table. Hence, in these two elements, sulfur is least electronegative and oxygen is a more electronegative. Therefore, sulfur present at the center and the 4 oxygen atoms are present surrounding these sulfur atoms. And the number of electrons are represented as just like this. Oxygen contains, there are 6 electrons, and these 6 electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This oxygen also contains, these are the 6 electrons. This oxygen contains, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 electrons. With this negative charge indicates there is an extra electrons, and this extra electron is represented by the dot. Similarly, this oxygen contains extra electron, but sulfur is the same elements of the 16 group elements. Hence, it contains, there are the 6 electrons in the outermost shell, and the 6 electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Eighth rule. This eighth rule indicates if there is this non-bonding pair of electrons present on the elements or the dotted electron pair is called as a lone pair, non-bonding pair. While the bonding pair, this shared pair of electrons are called as a shared pair called bonding pair. Shared pair is called as a bonding pairs. And these are the 8 rules are used to representing this Lewis structure. This Lewis structure is also called as a Lewis representation of the simple molecules and also the Lewis symbol for the molecules. Two examples are given here. The first is a methane molecule, methane, and it is represented as carbon. These electrons, there is 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and these are the 4 hydrogen atoms are surrounding this carbon atom. At this time, this carbon atom completed their octet. That is, this circle contains there are the total 8 electrons. Hence, this molecule is completed their octet. Hence, this molecule is a stable molecule. Another example, ethene. This is also called as a in common system ethylene. This molecule formula is a CH2 double bond CH2, and representation of this molecule is this carbon, first electron, second, third, and this is a 4. Same carbon, this is the electrons of the another carbon atoms, and there are 2 hydrogen atoms. These 2 hydrogen atoms are indicates cross line 1. These are the second, first, and this is the second hydrogen. In this case, if there is a complete formation of the octet, is not possible because there are total number of electrons in this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If there is a octet is not completed, then another electrons of the atom shared to form multiple bonds. Then these 2 electrons are shared with each other and forms there is a multiple bond, and this is the electron pairs. At this time, this carbon completed there is octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, this carbon is completed their octet in their outermost state. Hence, ethylene molecule or ethane molecule contains there is a 2 double bond, 1 double bond, while other forms there is a single bonds. These are the representation of the Lewis structure, Lewis dot structure, with including the formation of covalent bond.